So today we will be discussing a different way of differentiation or finding the derivative of a certain function. Before we start the topic, let me show you this. For example, find the derivative of xy equals x plus y. What do you think? What do you observe in this equation or in this function?
Y lang po before, tas ngayon po ay XY na po.
Thank you, Eliana. So that's a good observation. Before, the given is y equals, and then the function is in terms of x. Now, there is a given that x and y are together in a single term. So how are we going to find the derivative of that? So one way to solve for the derivative of this type of equations is to first solve the equation in terms of y. Xy equals x plus y. Then it will become xy minus y equals x. Y times x minus 1 equals x. Then, how are we going to find the derivative of this equation? We're going to apply
Quotient rule po.
quotient rule. Since u is equal to x, du will be equal to 1. Since v is x minus 1, dv is also 1. So applying the quotient rule, this will become dy over dx equals x minus 1 times 1 minus x times 1 all over x minus 1 square. Simplifying that, the numerator will become just x minus 1 minus x minus x is 0. So this will become dy over dx equals negative 1 over x minus 1 square. And that's the derivative. We're going to have another way of differentiation, which is called implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation is the process of finding the derivative of a dependent variable in an implicit function by differentiating each term separately. By expressing the derivative of the dependent variable as a symbol, and by solving the resulting expression for the symbol. Now, for implicit differentiation, before we proceed to that, let's have a practice first. Let's say we have x. If we're going to get the derivative of this, dx, what will be the result? What is the derivative of x? Dx is equal to what?
1 po, sir.
Very good, Jasmine. 1. Let's say we have x squared. What is the derivative of x squared? Anyone?
2x po.
Thank you, Kenneth. 2x. How about if we have x cubed? What is the derivative of x cubed?
3x squared po.
Thank you, Jana. 3x squared. Let's say if we have y, dy. So dy is equal to y prime. Okay? Now, if we have y squared, what will be the derivative of y squared? Anyone? Yes, Justine.
2y prime po pa.
Very good, Justine. So the derivative of y squared is 2y prime. This is what we're going to do in implicit differentiation. That's why we're having this, okay? Or how about y cubed? In implicit differentiation, what will be the derivative of y cubed? Anyone? Luigi, you want to try?
3y squared y prime.
Very good. 3y squared y prime. Now, for example, we have xy. Xy or x times y. What if we are going to get the derivative of xy or x times y? What do you think will be the result? What rule are you going to apply? Jana.
Sir, product rule po.
Okay, very good. Product rule. To get the derivative of x times y, we will be applying the product rule. So this will become x times y prime plus y times 1. That is actually our udv plus bdu. So that will become xy prime plus y. Now, find the derivative of xy equals x plus y. This time we will be using implicit differentiation. So in this case, we will be getting the derivative of xy, the derivative of x, and the derivative of y. So this will become d of xy equals dx plus dy. By x dy plus y dx, the product rule is applied. Since dx is equal to 1, dy is equal to y prime, it was changed. X y prime plus y times 1 equals 1 plus y prime. Or xy prime plus y equals 1 plus y prime. Okay? And then, this will become xy prime minus y prime equals 1 minus y. Factor out y prime, so this will become y prime times x minus 1 equals 1 minus y. Y prime is equal to 1 minus y over x minus 1. This will become y prime equals 1 over x minus 1 minus y over x minus 1. So take note that if we are going to solve for y, in the first equation or in the given, y is equal to x over x minus 1. So change y to x over x minus 1. So this will become y prime equals 1 over x minus 1 minus x over x minus 1 all over x minus 1. So that will become y prime equals 1 over x minus 1 minus x over x minus 1 times 1 over x minus 1. That's it. Well, it can be written that way. And then, so ito ay naging yon. And then, this will become y prime equals 1 over x minus 1 minus x over x minus 1 square. And then let us combine the two terms. Or the LCD, this common denominator is x minus 1 square. So this will become y prime equals 1 times x minus 1 times x all over x minus 1 square. Simplifying it, that this will become 1 y prime equals x minus 1 minus x all over x minus 1 square. Then y prime equals negative 1 over x minus 1 square, or y prime equals negative 1 over x minus 1 square. So that's actually the same with what we have obtained earlier. Now, we can also express our answer in terms of yung may y. Yung nakuha natin kanina. Can we proceed to the second example? Number 2. Find the derivative of x squared minus y squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. So get the derivative of each terms. This will become dx squared minus dy squared minus dx plus derivative of 1 equals derivative of 0. So this will become 2x minus 2yy prime minus 1 plus 0 equals 0. So this will become negative 2y prime equals negative 2x plus 1. Or let us divide both terms by or both sides of the equation by -1. So this will become 2y prime equals 2x minus 1. Divide both sides of the equation by 2y. So it will become y prime equals 2x minus 1 all over 2y. This is already an acceptable answer. But what if the direction is asking us to express our answer in terms of x? So this will become negative y squared equals negative x squared plus x minus 1. Y squared equals x squared minus x plus 1. Both sides of the equation was multiplied or divided by -1. And then get the square root of both sides of the equation. That will become y equals square root of x squared minus x plus 1. So now we have the value of y in terms of x. So let us change y to square root of x squared minus x plus 1. So y prime will be equal to 2x minus 1 all over 2 times square root of x squared minus x plus 1. So this could also be our answer. Okay, and we proceed now to the next example. Example number 3. Find the derivative of square root of x plus y plus 1 equals x squared minus y squared. So let us get the derivative of each terms. So this will become derivative of square root of x plus y plus derivative of 1 equals derivative of x squared minus derivative of y squared. So let us express square root of x plus y as x plus y raised to 1 half. So the derivative of x plus y raised to 1 half is equal to 1 half times x plus y raised to -1 half times 1 plus y prime. And then the derivative of 1 is 0 equals the derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of y squared is 2y prime. So the next line of the solution is 1 half times x plus y raised to -1 half times 1 plus y prime plus 0 equals 2x minus 2y prime. Okay? And then, so since we have a negative exponent here, let us express it as a denominator. So the exponent will be positive. So this will become 1 plus y prime over 2 times x plus y raised to 1 half equals 2x minus 2y prime. Let us express x plus y raised to 1 half into radical form. So the next line of the solution will look like this. 1 plus y prime over 2 square root of x plus y equals 2x minus 2y prime. Can you follow? Next. So let us apply cross multiplication. So the denominator in the left side of the equation will be multiplied to all the terms in the right side of the equation. So this will become 1 plus y prime equals 2x times 2 square root of x plus y minus 2y prime times 2 square root of x plus y. Can you follow? 1 plus y prime equals 4x square root of x plus y minus 4y prime square root of x plus y. Then, pagsasamahin natin yung may y prime. So this will become 4y prime square root of x plus y prime equals 4x times x square root of x plus y minus 1. Nasundan? Transposition lang yan, di ba? Then factor out y prime. So this will become y prime times 4y square root of x plus y plus 1 equals 4x square root of x plus y minus 1. So divide both sides of the equation by 4y square root of x plus y plus 1. So this will become y prime equals 4x times square root of x plus y minus 1 all over 4y times square root of x plus y plus 1. This is our answer. Last example. Find the derivative of 5y minus 2x plus y cubed equals x squared y. Get the derivative of each terms. 5y prime minus 2 plus 3y square y prime equals x square y prime plus y times 2x. This will become 5y prime minus 2 plus 3y square y prime equals x square y prime plus 2xy. So write the terms with y prime together. This will become 5y prime plus 3y square y prime minus x square y prime equals 2xy plus 2. And then you are going to factor out y prime. So this will become y prime times 5 plus 3y square minus x square equals 2xy plus 2. Then divide both sides of the equation by 5 plus 3y square minus x square. So this will become y prime equals 2xy plus 2 over or all over 5 plus 3y square minus x square.
Sir, meron pa bang example?
Wow, nabitin. Mamaya. Luigi, umatid ka lagi ng klase. Ikaw paliganado eh.
Madami po kasi klase.
Nakukulangan si Luigi. Mamaya, 4 pa yan. Nasagutan
Ay,
nyo. Okay. Ayan. So, dahil nabitin si Luigi, bigyan ko kayo ng exercises. Ito na. Find the derivative of the following. Number 1, 2y plus 5x plus x to the 4 equals x cubed y square. Number 2, x square minus y square plus xy equals x square y.
A few minutes later.
This is the solution for number 1. 2y plus 5x plus x to the 4 equals x cubed times y square. The first thing to do is to get the derivative of each terms. So this will become d of 2y plus d of 5x plus d of x to the 4 equals d of x cubed y square. This will become 2y square plus 5 plus 4x cubed equals x cubed times 2y y prime plus y square times 3x square. Then this will become 2y prime plus 5 plus 4x cubed equals to x cubed y prime plus 3x square y square. Then write the terms with y prime together. 2y prime minus 2x cubed y prime equals to x square y square minus 4x cubed minus 5. Factor out y prime, so this will become y prime times 2 minus 2x cubed y equals 3x square y square minus 4x cubed minus 5. Then divide both sides of the equation by 2 minus 2x cubed y. So our answer will become y prime equals 3x square y square minus 4x square minus 5 all over 2 minus 2x cubed y. Again, y prime equals 3x square y square minus 4x cubed minus 5 all over 2 minus 2x cubed y. This will be our answer. Next, number 2. X squared minus y squared plus xy equals x squared y. Get the derivative of each term. So this will become d of x squared minus dy squared plus d of xy equals d of x squared y. Then, getting the derivative of each terms, the result will be 2x minus 2y prime plus xy prime plus y equals x squared y prime plus y times 2x. Then, this will become 2x minus 2y prime plus xy prime plus y prime equals x squared y prime plus 2xy. Then write the terms with y prime together. So this will be negative 2y prime plus xy y prime minus x squared y prime equals 2xy minus 2x minus y. Factor out y prime. So this will be y prime times negative 2y plus x minus x squared equals 2xy minus 2x minus y. Divide both sides of the equation by negative 2y plus x minus x squared. So our answer will be y prime equals 2xy minus 2x minus y all over negative 2y plus x minus x squared. Find the derivative of the following. Number 3, 1 over x plus 1 over y equals xy. Number 4, square root of x plus y equals xy.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Number 3, 1 over x plus 1 over y equals xy. Get the derivative of each terms. D over, or the d of the derivative of 1 over x plus the derivative of 1 over y equals the derivative of x times y. Applying the derivative of a reciprocal rule, the derivative of 1 over x will be equal to negative 1 over x squared. The derivative of 1 over y is negative 1 over y squared times y prime equals xy prime plus y. So write the like terms with y prime together. So it will become negative y prime over y squared minus xy prime equals y plus 1 over x squared. So nasundan ba? Itong y squared, multiply nito sa 1. Kaya naging negative y squared over y. Negative y prime over y squared. Okay? Negative y squared over y squared minus xy prime equals y plus 1 over x squared. Factor out y prime, so that became negative 1 over y squared minus x equals y plus 1 over x squared. So here, negative 1 over y squared and negative x was combined. The least common denominator is y squared. So this should be negative 1 minus x y squared over y squared. And the right side of the equation, these two terms was also combined. The LCD is x squared. That's why it became x squared y plus 1 all over x squared. Then divide both sides of the equation by this part. So that will become y prime equals x squared y plus 1 over x squared divided by negative 1 minus xy squared all over y squared. Then change the operation to multiplication and express it in terms of its reciprocal. That's why it will become y prime equals x squared y plus 1 over x squared times y squared all over negative 1 minus xy squared. So our answer will be y prime equals y squared times x squared y plus 1 all over x squared minus 1 times x minus 1 minus xy squared. So, or we can express our answer as y square equals, y prime equals y squared times x squared y plus 1 all over x squared times 1 plus xy squared. So as you can see, the negative 1 was factored out in the denominator. Then in number 4, square root of x plus y equals xy. Get the derivative of each terms. Derivative of square root of x plus derivative of y equals derivative of x times y. This will become 1 over 2 square root of x plus y prime equals xy prime plus y. Y prime minus xy prime equals y minus 1 over 2 square root of x. Factor out y prime, so this will become y prime minus times 1 minus x equals 2y square root of x minus 1 all over 2 square root of x. So the answer will be y prime equals 2y square root of x minus 1 over 2 times square root of x times 1 minus x.